Business Enforcement Rule BER Business Enforcement Rules verify that the data a user enters in a record meets the standards specified before adding the record to CRA. Next, the business enforcement rules can be set for leads, cases, issues, offers, accounts, contacts, opportunities, locations, training, and campaigns. Business enforcement rule is used to updation of records based on specified filter criteria. Business scenario: if HDFC Bank creates leads and wants to keep some fields common for the leads which fulfill similar specified filter criteria, then business enforcement rule will help. Like HDFC Bank creates two leads whose rating is hot and wants to keep same email ID as leads@hdfcbankleads.com. This can be accomplished by business enforcement rule. To access business enforcement rule, click Sales, click Leads, then click Manage Business Enforcement Rules under Toolbox. The pop-up window will open to create BER. There are two options shown in the drop-down: one time and every time. In case of one-time business enforcement rules, once the condition is satisfied, the rest of the rules will not be checked. In case of every time business enforcement rules, even if the first condition is satisfied, the rest of the conditions will be checked. Let us create a one-time BER. Click New Rule. Then fill rule name. Select rule type, and execute for. Set the filter criteria as rating equals hot. And click on Next. Set field to update as email equals leads@hdfcbankleads.com. And click on Finish button. Then click on Close button to close BER pop-up window. Now create the lead with rating hot. After saving the lead, you can see leads@hdfcbankleads.com as email ID for the particular lead. Let us create another BER for every time triggered. Select every time from drop-down, click New Rule, then fill rule name. Select rule type, and execute for. Set the filter criteria as rating equals hot. And click on Next. Set field to update as email equals leads@hdfcbankleads.com. And click on Finish button. Create another every time BER with filter criteria as city is specified. And field to update as mobile number with value 12345. Now create the lead with rating hot, and city is specified by city name. After saving the lead, you can see leads@hdfcbankleads.com as email ID and 12345 as mobile number for the particular lead. Editing enforcement rules. Click on Edit link for relevant rules name, make the required changes, and save the changes. Cloning enforcement rules. Click on Clone link against the name of the enforcement rule in the listing, make required changes and save it. Deleting enforcement rules. Click on Delete link against the name of the enforcement rule in the listing, and click Confirm to delete the rule. Tracking history of enforcement rules. Click on History link against the name of the enforcement rule in the listing, click Detail link to view the changes. This is all about business enforcement rule. Thank you.